Property management is not just property management. There's so much software out there to help you manage your property management portfolio. Today we're having a look at Appfolio. We're having a look at Yardi. We want to know like which one is going to work for you specifically. So let's check them out. So let's jump straight into Appfolio now. So Appfolio offers tools to manage any property portfolio. It combines accounting, leasing, and maintenance solutions. This can help users track performance metrics. The next thing we're going to look at is its diverse portfolio management. So you can manage residential, commercial, as well as student portfolios. You can combine accounting, leasing, and maintenance efforts, and you can track occupancy, rent collection, expenses, and a whole bunch more. You can manage a portfolio of more than 200 units with a single intuitive dashboard. It gives you automated rent collection, so you can set up automatic payments as well as reminders. It tracks expenses and generates vendor payments, and it gives you a bank reconciliation, budgeting, and a forecasting tool which can help you move forward and not spend time on boring, mundane things. Its automated late fee implementation can also increase on-time payments by 25%, which is great. It offers online leasing. Okay, so it's streamlining the application process, which is great. It runs credit checks and background checks, and you can use digital signatures for all of your lease agreements and any other documentation. Their online portal reduces the leasing cycle from 14 days down to 5 days, which is great. That means you've got a whole bunch more time to do what's important. Let's have a look at one or two of their drawbacks, however. So they do have a higher pricing plan than some of their competitive software. There are certain features that are limited. They don't have a whole bunch. It is kind of more set for somebody that is looking for basic software. However, it does require a setup, and it will require some training time to understand some of their features. Let's have a look at Yardi now. So it's streamlining property management. So Yardi actually offers an integrated platform for property management. It provides a centralized database with real-time data visibility. The system automates key processes and offers robust reporting tools. You can integrate a bunch of other assets into the platform. You can manage residential, commercial, and mixed portfolios. It provides real-time data visibility for informed decisions, and it streamlines rent collection and lease administration. And you can adapt to portfolio size and complexity as you move forward. So it's got a fantastic scale solution. It has a full suite. It is filled with compliance, streamlines, and audit trails. So Yardi actually provides a full suite of accounting functions. It ensures compliance with the GAAP and IFRS standards. The software also streamlines financial processes. This can help reduce errors, and its fantastic audit trails ensure transparency. One or two of their drawbacks, however, it's significantly higher in an upfront cost if you do want to set up. Also, it's got a bit of a steep learning curve. It's very, very complex. It's more of a advanced bit of software. And then also, there are a few issues that have been picked up with their support system. Trying to contact support is not always as responsive as maybe what we need. So those are things that we need to consider before choosing Yardi as the property management software that we want to use. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. 2 property management systems, but one will stand out on top. Which one is it? Let us know in the comment section below which one you think is best for you and why. We'll see you in another video. Peace.